If you're a marketer, then you need to harness the power of YouTube influencers to boost your brand. In today's digital world, YouTube influencer marketing is a game changer. The right influencer can take your brand's visibility and engagement to new heights. So how do you find these goldmine creators? First, master keyword research by using YouTube's search autocomplete to uncover trending topics in your niche. Next, dive into YouTube analytics to check out metrics like audience demographics, watch time, and engagement rates. Want to stay ahead of the game? Analyze your competitors' influencer collaborations. Look at the types of content, engagement levels, and keywords they use. When you find your perfect match, provide influencers with target keywords, links, and optimization guidelines. And don't forget to diversify. Video reviews, vlogs, and tutorials are all gold for boosting SEO and driving traffic. Finally, set clear goals and track performance metrics like views, engagement, and conversions. Keep refining your strategy for maximum impact. Ready to boost your brand with YouTube influencers? Let's get started.
YouTube.